Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.